Today, I will tell you about success. Everyone wants the success, but only one person does not give up when he is seeing the way to achieve this success. Success does not happen by accident, and abandonment either. You choose success, or you choose to give up. What do you want? Success or abandonment? In both cases, you will have failures. What do you want? And for the people who think that success happened by chance, well, then wait for it. But I won't wait with you. I will do what you should have to done to get it. And I will take your place. If you do not work for your success, someone else will do it and he'll have your success for you, your dream life. Success is not an accident, nor is failures. In reality, people have a bad sense of what is success. Success is not only victory, but it is also the work to reach it, the failures to reach it. If you could achieve success without failures, nobody would. Wait, and you will have more failures than success. Give up, and you will have more failures than success. Take action, and you will have this success. Because from the moment where we begin to experience the failures necessary for the fulfillment of our dreams, it is in reality that we are already in our success life. And I don't know anyone who worked all his life for these dreams and never achieved them. No matter whether you take the word of work or abandonment, you will have failures. But only one of the two words will allow you to reach your dreams, to live your dream life. Show me your mindset, and I will tell you if you will achieve your dreams or not. Show me what you do every day, and I will tell you if you will achieve your dreams or not. I will tell you who you will be tomorrow. You will be the same person as you are today. You will be the person you cannot handle. The person who wants to do so much and does so little. You think 2 hours a day of work is enough? What? You do 5 hours a day? I don't care of that. In any case, you have to work more. You don't evolve in 5 hours a day. You evolve when you work to the point where you have to give up entertainment. You evolve when you work to the point where you have to make sacrifice for it. To have to give up useless things. To have to sacrifice things that you love but that do not bring you anything in your life. Stop the shitty food. Stop watching TV. Stop Instagram and work. Show me who you want to be, and I will tell you that you will never be, because you go to bed too early. Show me the sacrifice you make. This is not enough. Do you really want this life or not? Then go get it. Because you don't dream enough. Because you don't have enough aggressiveness. Because you don't do enough actions. Because you don't work enough. Are you sure you want to become that person? Then you must be ready to accept failures and leave everything that is useless in your life. Show me your love of work. Show me that you love suffering, that you love going to bed later for work. Show me that you will not go in a nightclub this evening, and tomorrow, and the next week because you have to work. You have to work because you are going to become this person. Because it is for this reason that you were brought into this world. Because you want it so badly that you don't care about the money or the popularity that it will bring you, but that you do it for you, for the pride you will have. Because before you die, you can say, I did it. I became this person because I worked for it. Because I chose to give my life to a real cause and not to entertainment. Because I stopped counting failures and I disciplined myself. Because I went every day to training with the smile and faith, the faith to win. Because I forged my mind for it. I said I could do it. I had to do it, and I did it. I said I could do it, I had to do it, and I did it. I did you to change. I did you to give up abandonment for work. Work will be your entertainment, your gratification. So today, Are you ready to change? Are you ready to accept failures? To not let random decide your life, but to create your success. Are you ready? Nothing will happen if you do nothing, but something will happen if you work every day. And this thing is your dream. Your dream waiting for you. I challenge you today, not tomorrow, or the day after, but today, to make one last amendment. The amendment of all people and all the things that stand between you and your success. I dare you to make an impact in this world. It's now.